everybody, and welcome. I am sad to say that I'm not here today because I had to go to the dentist. So you will be missed. I would much rather be here teaching you than being sitting in the dentist chair getting a filling done. Womp, womp, womp. But anyway, we are going to go ahead and get started. So if you haven't already, you need to go ahead and complete that warm up. Do the best that you can. If you don't know, just do your best guess. I just want to see what your best guess is. Okay, so once you've submitted that warm up, go ahead and we're going to move into that top orange folder in our Schoology page. Once we get into that top orange folder, we're going to go to that top assignment guided tutorials selection tools. Now, just like what we always do for these tutorials, we're going to go ahead and click here to go to the tutorials. Now for this set, we have to download our tutorials in the Adobe website. So we're going to go to where it says Get Files. Once that starts to download in the bottom of our Chrome window, we can go ahead, click, hold, and drag that to the desktop here. Now it's a zip file, so we're going to have to double click that file to open it. And then we'll have our selection tools right down here. Now what we're going to do for this is let's go ahead and double click on this folder. And what I'm going to do, if yours looks like this, that's okay. What we're going to do is I'm going to click in this white space. Now I'm going to hold with my mouse and drag so I can select all three of these. Once you've selected all three, you're going to hold Control on your keyboard and click. And that's going to bring up this menu. And we're simply going to go down to Open with Adobe Photoshop. And what that's going to do is open all three of those files in separate windows in your Photoshop application. Now, once this opens up, be sure that you have the right files for the right video, even though this one and this one are pretty much identical. Just use the opposite, so when you rename them, I know which one's which, okay? Now you're going to follow along with Learn Selection Basics, as well as learn how to use the Quick Selection and Lasso tools. And then our last one is how do you fine-tune a selection. Now, go slow through these. Everybody should get these done before the end of the bell, so then you can have the rest of the day to kind of do your own thing. Be sure that you are going slow and you're getting these turned in as JPEGs. So be sure that you save and submit as a JPEG, and be sure you rename it with your last name, comma, first initial to each of these files, okay? Be sure that you are helping each other. If someone's not certain, be there for each other. And also be sure we get all these done. I expect everybody to have all three of these finished and submitted by the time that I see you on Thursday. So be sure that we get this taken care of in class today so we know where we're going to be when we get here on Thursday. I can't wait to see you all. I miss you. It's been 5 days. It's going to be, almost 7 since I've seen you last. I hope you're doing well, and I look forward to seeing you on Thursday. See you, everybody.